To install Gnucash on your laptop or your desktop computer, visit the official Gnucash website at gnucash.org. This is the official website where you'll always find the most up-to-date and secure version of the software. Gnucash is completely free and open source, so you don't have to worry about subscription fees or any hidden costs. Here on the official website's welcome page, you will find the download section. As you can see here, Gnucash is compatible with various operating systems, including Linux, Windows, Apple Macs, and if you look on the bottom of the screen, you'll find that the program also supports earlier operating systems. Select the appropriate version for your operating system. Since I'm using Windows 10, I will select Windows 10 by clicking on the download link. Once you make your selection, the file will begin downloading to your computer. It may take a few minutes to fully download to your computer. You will find the Gnucash executable file in your download folder. Double-click on the file to run the program. As with any new program you install on a Windows computer, Windows Security may pop up with a warning message that the publisher could not be verified or is unknown. As long as you download the program from the official Gnucash website, there shouldn't be any issues with the software. Click Run or Yes to continue. The first screen you will see is the language selection dialog box with English selected by default. To choose a different language, click on the drop-down arrow and select it. Then click OK to continue. The next pop-up window is simply the license agreement information. It's a good idea to read it. When finished, click Next to accept the license agreement. The installer will continue to guide you through a few more simple steps. You should leave the default settings because it configures the software for you. Click on Install. The installation usually takes a few minutes. Once it finishes, click Finish to launch Gnucash, and that's it. Now Gnucash should be officially installed on your computer. Now you should see the Gnucash shortcut icon on your desktop as long as you left that option checked during installation. If for some reason you don't see it on your desktop, look for the Gnucash icon in your Windows Start menu, which the program should have automatically created during installation.